Hello to all dear traders! Are you ready to learn an amazing scalping strategy that gives you big profits with little effort? Today I'm here with a special video, and in this video we'll use a combination of two incredible indicators. Stay with me to see how we can conquer the market with these powerful tools. First of all, as always, we need to go to the TradingView website and select the chart section. Now, from the symbol section, you need to choose a symbol for your trade. Since this is a scalping strategy and we don't want our trade to remain open for several days, we should select symbols that have high liquidity and large trading volume so that we can make good money from their small fluctuations. After you have chosen your symbol, it's time to select your time frame. I recommend choosing one from the 1 minute, 5 minute or 15 minute time frames. If you're in a hurry, choose the 1 minute time frame. If you're very cautious, choose the 15 minute time frame. Now we come to the most important part of this strategy. We need to go to the indicator section and add the first indicator to the chart. For this, just type black pickup trend in the search box. Once you find it, click on it to add it to the chart. After that, we need to go to the settings of this indicator and make some changes. Please watch this part of the video carefully because it's very important and mistakes here can have serious consequences. Now that we have completed the settings, I need to teach you how to use this indicator. This indicator generates buy and sell signals for us, and with the help of this indicator, we can save our time. After applying the specific settings for this strategy on this indicator, we can trust the signals generated and use them to enter buy and sell trades. When you see buy signals on the chart, you can enter buy trades. And when you see sell signals on the chart, you can use them to enter sell trades. Note that this indicator might provide you with very good profits at many times, but sometimes it also generates false signals that cause losses. So I suggest adding a second indicator to the chart to prevent these losses. For this, go to the indicator tab and search for 3EMA. Once you find it, click on it to add it to our chart. Now we need to go into its settings and make the changes we want to make it suitable for our use. As you know, we use moving averages to identify trends and rely on them for this purpose. In places where all candles are above all three moving average lines, we understand that our trend is upward, and at these points we only look for buy positions so that we can profit from price increases in the market. Conversely, when all price candles are below the moving averages, we understand that we are in a downtrend, and at these points we look for sell signals so that we can also profit from price decreases in the market. Well, I've explained both indicators. Now I just need to tell you where to enter trades and where to set your stop loss and take profit levels. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I have created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. Well, let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal. Remember, we need a buy signal where the close of this candle is above all three moving averages. The second important point is that we must be in an uptrend, meaning that all the candles are above all three moving averages, because only in this case can we expect a price increase. If both conditions are met, we can consider the buy signal as a suitable entry point for our buy trade. Now we just need to set our stop loss a little below the last swing low. Now we enter the trade and set our take profit at 1.5 times our stop loss. In other words, we consider our risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5. Now all we have to do is wait for the trade to close with a profit. For sell orders, we first need to look for a sell signal where the close of this candle is below all three moving averages. After that, we need to make sure that we are in a downtrend and the candles are below all three moving averages. If all these conditions are met, we can consider the sell signal as a suitable entry point for our sell trade. Now we just need to set our stop loss a little above the last swing high. Now we can enter the sell trade at this point and also consider our risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5 for the take profit. Now we just have to wait until our take profit or stop loss is hit, and our trade will close with either a profit or a loss. Remember that no strategy has a 100% win rate and all strategies have some errors. Therefore, to avoid significant financial losses, always follow money management rules to protect your investment. I hope this video has been helpful for you and that you can achieve successful and profitable trades using this strategy. Remember that no strategy is perfect and there is always a chance of error. So don't forget about proper money management and risk-taking principles. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, share your comments with us, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on next educational videos. Also, if you have any questions or there's something you'd like to know more about, please write them in the comments below. Until the next video, be successful and profitable, and always be a winner in the market.